Kirk and Stacy here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 81 Amore Road here in Springfield, Massachusetts.
Come check out this fantastic, fully renovated 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, cave-style home with all the amenities you've been looking for. Let's go take a look.
This fully renovated home checks all the items off your list, featuring an island kitchen, recessed lighting, finished basement, and so much more.
With an open concept flow from kitchen to combination living room and dining room, you'll have plenty of space for holiday entertaining.
This incredible property features 2 bedrooms on the main level with an updated full bath and an additional bedroom on the second floor.
Out back, you'll find a large deck, 2-car garage, plenty of parking, fenced-in yard, and more space to make your own.
We hope you have enjoyed your personal tour of 81 Amore Road here in Springfield, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us at the number below.
Here at the Weingarten team, we believe who you choose to work with matters, and we want to work with you. Full bath, cave style.
I thought I had it off. I apologize.
Came out so naturally.
It's so good. It's so good. She's just complimenting herself. Nothing to see here.